Hello there and welcome to another edition of Ask the Italian Lawyer. Of course, we are back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian from ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And in this episode, we wanted to ask Marco the question, do you need to know Italian to get Italian citizenship?
From a legal standpoint, it is not necessary to speak Italian to be able to apply for citizenship by descent. So if you are applying for citizenship iuris sanguinis based on an Italian-born ancestor, whether you're applying through a consulate or a municipality or via a 1948 case, so a case that is filed in an Italian court, speaking Italian is not a legal requirement. With that being said, with specific regard to applying for citizenship via an Italian municipality, of course, if you are going through the process by yourself, it's advisable to be able to speak some Italian to be able to, get by and go through the process by yourself. But at the same time, if you are going through the process with the assistance of an attorney or a law firm like ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com, then at that point, of course, you can expect to receive all of the assistance that you need from us, and therefore speaking Italian is really not that important when you're going through the process through an Italian municipality. On the other hand, people who want to apply for citizenship through marriage or for citizenship through residency will have to pass a language test. The language test needs to be taken before the application process can be initiated. The level required is B1, so that is, according to the European standards, a lower intermediate level. So you don't have to be extremely fluent in Italian to be able to pass the test. The level required, again, is lower intermediate, meaning B1. With specific regard to applications for citizenship through marriage, there is an exception for women who were married to Italian men prior to 1983. In that case, a language test is not required. So if you are a woman who was married to an Italian man prior to 1983, or if you were married prior to 1983 to a man who later became an Italian citizen by descent, then you don't have to pass a language test to be able to apply for citizenship by marriage. So to recap, individuals who are applying for citizenship through marriage or through residency need to pass a language test before they can initiate the citizenship by residency or by marriage, respectively, process. Whereas individuals who are going through the process of applying for citizenship by descent don't have to speak Italian to be able to initiate or successfully go through the process.
Well, thank you so much, Marco, for getting into the nitty-gritty with this topic. And of course, if you're interested in more about getting Italian citizenship, be sure to check out the Italian Citizenship podcast, which can be found on the same YouTube channel as this episode, as well as the Italian Real Estate podcast, or you can find them both as audio podcasts on your favorite podcasting platform of choice. Of course, we have been here again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian from ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com, as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. I'm Rafael Di Furia. Stay safe and healthy out there, and we'll see you all next time. Later.
Thank you.